Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to be pranking my mom and my sister. I am going to be doing the my stomach hurts prank, and I got the liquid ass off of Amazon. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're going to be going somewhere today, but and I'm going to be recording it, so stay tuned guys for the reaction. Hey y'all, welcome back. My stomach hurt. Oops.
See my hand, guys? That's how far my middle finger can stretch out.
Excuse me.
Really painful. What are you doing? Yourself.
Oh my god. You smell it?
Blood seed!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, please. Your truck when you walk. Is that on? Is that on? Trying to show yourself. My blood seed. Are you dying, Papa? Oh my god.
I'm sorry. I can't. I couldn't hold it.
Jesus Christ Almighty. No, Shanayne. Take it off from me.
Yeah,
Did you just shit on yourself? I hope you're not taping it. Shanayne, seriously. No, it's a fart thing about it. Jesus Christ. Dear God, help me.
I did get her, y'all. I did get her.
Shanayne, listen to me. I was about to go to the damn emergency room with you for this, because nothing is supposed to come out of somebody smell like that.
Oh my god.
God Almighty. Oh, dear God, forgive me, sister. Please. Please forgive me. Oh, Jesus.
I've been trying to like record this thing the whole time.
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
No, you wasn't.
I recorded it from when I was in the house. I'm playing that prank on you.
God Almighty.
Yo. Oh my god, it's a short video, y'all, but I mean, look.
This bitch on the car.
Yo, the camera died, but I mean, like this video if you think I got her, because I think I got her. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well. Make sure you hit that, press that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Sorry for the wind, y'all. The window's open. She still can't get over it. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. What you say, Mom?
It's not funny, man. I really talked to shit up myself.
Alright guys, bye.